Hi there, I'm Dr. Gerilyn Alfe, and I'd like to welcome you to Chicago Smile Spa. If you have just a couple of minutes, I'd love to show you the rest of my practice. This is our lab area where we'll pour up study models and make bleaching trays. Our E4D unit, which you'll see over here, is something we're really excited about because it allows us to do crowns for our patients in sometimes as little as 1 hour. For any larger cases that we're doing, like smile makeovers using porcelain veneers, I only work with the best dental technicians across the country, and all of our work is done within the United States. And as you're going through our office, you'll notice a lot of happy smiling patients. These have all been done by me, and as well as the photography. In this room, I'd like to show you some of the technology that we're really proud of. This is our soft tissue laser that's used to decontaminate your gum tissue during your cleaning visit, as well as being used by me to do non-surgical gum lifts when we're doing smile makeovers using porcelain veneers. Our Cavitron machine is used by our hygienist to gently melt the tartar off of your teeth. Using an ultrasonic cleaner, we can oftentimes avoid a lot of that nasty metal scraping that everybody loves. Our Velscope machine is used during our oral cancer screenings. It's an early detection device that allows me to see if there are tissue changes below the skin surface. And then lastly is our ozone machine, which is really cool, and there are only 300 dentists in the entire world that use it. It allows me to treat tooth decay or cavities without using the needle or the drill. If you'd like to come to our next room, Rima and Holly are working on one of our patients. Over here, Rima and Holly are working on Robin using our Dent, which is a cavity detecting laser that allows me to find if there are small cavities on the biting surfaces of your back teeth, way before they show up with an x-ray, or I can feel them with the Explorer. We're in our sterilization area now. This is Lisa, our autoclave sterilizer. She's the only hospital-grade sterilizer available on the market, and it's so strong that it kills mad cow disease. Over here in the corner is our Tuttenauer water purifier, which means that there is no Chicago City water running through any of our chairs. We take our patients' health and safety very seriously here. If you'd like to follow me now, we're going to go into our digital x-ray area. Before we get there, this is our scanner that we use for our 1-hour crowns. You may remember seeing the milling machine when we brought you through the lab. And then in the back are our night guards that we use to treat sleep apnea and snoring without having to use a CPAP machine or any invasive surgery. This is our x-ray area. Because we only use digital x-rays, which reduces your radiation exposure by 75%, over here you can actually see what we can see. On the computer screen, the x-rays are blown up enough so that patients can see exactly what I'm viewing as well. Some of our oral care recommendations for our patients to be able to use at home in between their professional visits to keep themselves as clean as possible. And right now we're in our consult area where I can privately and confidentially discuss your treatment with you. We know how scary sometimes the clinical rooms are for our patients, so this is a nice, warm, inviting atmosphere where we can spend a little time together. You'll notice on the walls a lot of diplomas and certificates because I take continuing education very seriously. Not just as a student, I'm also an instructor. I want to thank you so much for spending your time with us. I know how valuable it is. We really look forward to meeting you in person. Please call or email us with any questions you may have, whether they be how to improve your smile, you've got a tooth that's bothering you, or you want to know some really cool ways to help save your teeth and your health. Thanks again for joining us. I'm Dr. Gerilyn Alfe at Chicago Smile Spa.